If you're wondering how to build a gamified experience in Outgrow, you're in the right place. Outgrow is an interactive content creation platform that allows you to design everything from calculators and quizzes to surveys and assessments. And today, we're diving into how you can take it a step further by gamifying your experience. First off, let's break it down. Why gamification? Gamifying your content means adding game-like elements such as points, progress bars, and achievements that engage users and encourage them to keep interacting with your content. This is perfect if you're looking to boost user engagement, increase time on page, or even convert leads more effectively. And the great thing is, Outgrow offers all the tools you need to add those interactive features without needing to know how to code. When you start building a gamified experience in Outgrow, you want to think about the elements that will keep your audience hooked. For example, you can easily set up point systems where users accumulate points as they answer questions. These points can be tied to rewards or progress milestones, giving users a sense of accomplishment. You can also add a leaderboard feature, which brings in a competitive element that motivates users to participate more. One of the coolest things you can do in Outgrow is setting up a progress bar. This keeps users aware of where they are in the experience and how close they are to completing it, which is a fantastic way to increase completion rates. Plus, you can personalize these progress indicators, making them align with the theme or tone of your content, whether it's a fun, light-hearted quiz or a more professional calculator. Another important feature to highlight is Outgrow's ability to create conditional logic. With this, you can customize the journey each user takes based on their answers, leading to a highly personalized experience. You could even set up branching paths where users make choices that affect their score or outcome. And they might even be rewarded with a badge at the end for completing certain tasks or achieving certain milestones. For those of you looking to integrate a bit more competition, Outgrow allows you to create challenges. Whether it's a quiz, a score to beat, or a time challenge, these are great ways to encourage people to try your gamified content more than once, striving to get a better score or faster time. This not only boosts engagement, but also encourages repeat visits. And if you're thinking about the design and look of your gamified experience, Outgrow gives you plenty of customization options. You can make your experience visually appealing by adjusting colors, fonts, and images to match your branding. This will make your gamified experience feel even more unique and tailored to your audience. To make your gamified experience even more compelling, you can embed it into your website or landing pages. This creates a seamless user journey that's both fun and engaging. Whether you're looking to generate leads or simply entertain, Outgrow's gamification features make it easy to keep people coming back for more. The great part? You can get started with Outgrow for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can test out all of these gamified features without spending a dime, and if you want to take it to the next level, we've got an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you through the link below. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to check it out. So if you want to build a gamified experience that keeps your audience coming back, Outgrow is the way to go. With easy-to-use tools, customization options, and a powerful set of features, gamifying your content has never been simpler. Click the link below to claim your free trial and start building interactive, engaging content today.